Hello everyone, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. In this video, I would like to share with you a solution to common loophole many companies fall in when setting business objectives. You can apply this solution to any goal: business, quality, environmental, safety, or any other. By the end of this video, you will see how you can establish meaningful business objectives to comply with standards and drive continual improvement. Stay with me. At the conclusion, I also will give you a link to my article, Quality Objectives and Quality Dreams. Are you interested? Let's get started. Annex SL Element 6.2 and all management system standards require that the organization shall establish objectives at relevant functions. Most companies do establish end-of-the-line objectives such as shipping on time, warranty costs, customer complaints, and others. However, just a few businesses create objectives for relevant functions or departments. Often a discussion of this topic goes like this: "Sir, what is your on-time shipping objective?" an auditor asks. "Per our KPIs, it is 95%, sir," the quality manager replies. "Very good," the auditor continues. "And what is your packaging on-time completion target?" "All our department target the same 95%, the quality manager answers. I am puzzled that countless businesses in various industries apply this odd school of thought to setting departmental objectives. How in the world can shipping be 95% on time when packaging, the operation right before it, also has a target of 95%? Isn't the capability of the system equals the product of its factors? Yes, it is. If both packaging and shipping have objectives of 95% on-time completion, then the resulting performance ought to be 95 times 95 or some 90%. If we continue this logic and plug in the final test that also targets 95% on-time performance, we will end up with shipping capability of 95 times 95 times 95 or some 86%. So based on these examples, the thinking of all departments having a company-wide 95% target does not work. We face an unsolvable equation. The concept is illogical. Here are a couple more examples of the final result of multiple processes that have the same goal. Going back to the kitting operation with all others in between, having 95% on-time target, shipping will be able to be on time only 77% or so. Another example with 99% target for all, shipping will be capable of only 95% on-time shipments. To resolve this paradox, we have two options. 1. Assign targets to the departments in a way that the final result of the entire process mathematically equals to your goal. Or set targets to 100% and deal with the variances to continually improve your process capabilities. The first option is a nightmare. I can guarantee that this route will quickly give everybody severe headaches, so think about it. Well, we're making progress, guys. By now we met our objective. We figured out how to set up goals at relevant functions. Also, I offered you downloads. I did not forget. Click on the link below, go to the Academy page on our website and download the article. Feel free to browse around. There is a lot of lean stuff there. Learn how you can make your system lean and efficient. Drop us a line if you have suggestions or ideas on lean management system topics. To learn more about lean techniques for ISO management systems, visit our website. Please share this video with your colleagues and management. Help your business to benefit from lean concepts for ISO management systems. Before you go, Click that subscribe button. We're coming with more videos on lean ISO management system topics. In our next video, we will talk about the optimization of particular processes in more details with specific examples of records. Give us a like if you learned something new today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I look forward to seeing you again.